Does that make sense? Let's see if I can do it on this flag. Let's see if I can work it out. And that's 4. Not too bad. $595, $815, $470. Hi guys, haven't said morning, have I? It's tea time now anyway. The Indian stone has finished. That sleeper there is only there to show him, because there's a gap under the fence, to show him how thick a sleeper would be down there. But I think we're just going with a 6x2. It's only 2 inches off. It looks a little bit too boxed in for me, but that's totally up to them. Whatever they want. Got the soil in, got the sleepers in as you saw. Put the soil in, chamfered it all in. So she was a bit worried about that. She thought they were like going to come in and then go to the sleeper, but obviously we do it right, don't we? All that he's doing is grout and gravel down like strips like that all the way around and stuff like that. And then all that needs doing is up there. Just going to put a 4x4 post across there. But these guys are going on holiday again. They've just been on holiday. They're going on holiday. I'm off away on Friday. Tom's off away on Tuesday. So we're pulling off now until they get back. I'm going to go start a new drive, dig that out, and do what I've got to do. But this is looking brilliant. See if I've got any starter photos. I'll put some starter photos on this video. That's a note, Graham. Put some starter photos on, and then let's have a look how it looked, because this area here just non-existent. Out here were a raised soil bed. They had about 1.2 down there. That was it. So yeah, so we're just tidying up round front, getting out stuff on van. But yeah, it feels good now. Feels good in here now. So I'll catch you all tomorrow on another job in sunny Pudsey, 8 o'clock sharp.